Darlene says if I talk funny, she does not care that I got hit in the head. She calls me a faker because I could heal things. Slipknot, Blonde Pope, this thing on my toe was healing that from Daniel. But my children are weaker than me. Grandma Darlene kills my puppy. It's like Grandma's COPD cough. When she touches my puppy, the puppy is gonna die of COPD. And Grandma Darlene says she'll hospitalize me as a faker if I got a head injury and talk funny, or I'm a wild cottontail rabbit that she cannot have. Okay, we're gonna start over. We're gonna start over.